It's the last day in Florida for our family road trip. We planned this excursion on the way north at Rock Springs in Kelly Park. Jake and Jen didn't want to swim, but we all enjoyed this beautiful park.
Like staircases.
Here's where it comes out. Look at that giant butterfly.
Sharky.
Look at me! Like it wasn't like what happened.
Oh, there's quite a current. Yes, there is quite a current.
It is very cold.
There.
Abby. Love you. Do one more.
Here I'm coming. I was shooting the camera in the wrong direction.
At you the whole time. You're late.
Action footage. It's a rock and the bottom is sandy.
Rocks have galaxy on
Well,
it hit my ankle. No puedo caminar ahí.
why don't you stop too? That's all right. I want to get by the sea. It's only this deep.
I know.
Here with the rock.
You want to wear my shoes? Well, the last time I did this, it wasn't this deep, so there were a lot of spots you had to walk. I guess there were rains. Well, the rains we got the other day, probably. But I had bare feet too, so I'm not. It's not my favorite thing, but I think you like it less. So if you wanted to wear my shoes, oh, look at this stuff. Yeah, that's the pool.
It's an experience, and there's always a lot of anxiety on her when I do things.
Just that one little 6-second video.
No, they got it a second time, and I had asked them to
No,
put it
there's
down.
only one video.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They must not have gotten it to record them.
My aunt Katie was like, please just stop playing with the camera.
But they want to be YouTubers.
They did really, considering themselves as the kid. They did really good. They were pretty well behaved.
They had a great time in the pool. I'm glad that they got to do that.
Yeah.
And that game table was perfect for them. Yeah, oh, I'm sorry. Oh. It's very shallow. It's very shallow. It's better. Swallowtail. A great big. And that's it for our family road trip and this adventure. But you know there's lots more of the great big beautiful garden that we all share for us to explore together. So please make sure you're subscribed. And until next episode, bye for now.